Cut the box open. Remove the accessory box and the machine base from the box. Slide the post onto the base. Ensure that the side with the 2 sets of threaded holes is oriented inward. Ensure that the side with 1 set of threaded holes faces outward. Make sure the holes are positioned on the side closest to the top of the post. Open the inner box. Carefully take the machine's head out of the box. Slide the machine head onto the post. Remove the accessories from the box. Take the screws and the Allen key from the bag. Insert and tighten the 2 leveling screws at the bottom of the post. Repeat the process for the 2 leveling screws located at the top of the post. Carefully remove the plastic wrap surrounding the absorber. Loosen the absorber sealing screw. Place the absorber and tighten the sealing screw. Turn the machine to attach the oxygen supply tubing. Tighten the screw using 2 wrenches, turning them in opposite directions. Attach the evacuation tubing. Install the breathing bag on the swivel bag mount. Install the breathing tube to the CO2 absorber connection. Insert the vaporizer into the bracket. Secure it in place with the locking mechanism. Your machine is ready to test before use.